Assalamualaikum grade 6. How are you all? Hope so that you all are fine. Wish you a very good morning to all of you. So dear class, please open your books. As you know that on level 1 we have done these 4 question answers on notebook. Now we are going today to move question number 5 and 6. We will write the answers on notebook. So please first note down the answers of level 1 question number 5 and 6. First of all, you will write the topic, the global community. After you will write statement, answer these questions. As you know, is question number 5. How has international travel changed? And the answer is, now it is possible to fly from one side of the world to the other in less than a day. After, my dear class, the next question of today is, why does the global community need to work together? And its answer is, it enhances the sense that we all belong to the same global community. These are the 2 question answers you have to write on your notebook. And after, my dear class, let's move to the book work. Be attentive. It's on page number 110. The first is vocabulary. First of all, they are telling about use of or and or. It's called a coordinating conjunction because it's coordinate 2 sentences together. And here they are asking, the first question is, the coordinating conjunction or is used in the first paragraph of the global community. Find the sentence and write it down. What you have to do, this is your first paragraph and you have to find out the sentence where the use of or is used. So you have to find out from your paragraph number 1. After, my dear class, the next question they are asking, find an example in the passage, the global community, in which the words not only but also are used. So for your convenient, I am going to tell you the answer of B part. So let's start. Let's move that where it is used. Look at its paragraph number 4. I make a sign of star here. It's written, the English speaking community comprises not only, the use of not only, the inhabitants of Britain, North America, Australia and New Zealand, but also. So what they are asking? They are asking that where the use of not only and but also is used. We have to find out the line. We have to find out the sentence and write on our notebook. For example, as I am underline here not only and but also. So this is the sentence. You will start from here and you will write till here. This is the sentence that you have to write on your notebook from paragraph number 4. It's the answer of question B. Clear? After, my dear class, rewrite or develop the following sentences using the coordinating conjunction or not only but also. Here I am giving you 2 examples. After, you will complete these 4 on your own. ये आपने खुद करने हैं next 4. The first is, I can't eat chicken or meat. So I tell you the answer of first or meat. Not only is she is an excellent cook but also a good singer. So I tell you the 2 answers. So next 4 you have to do. D. Complete the sentences using or. So we will complete these sentences with the use of or. He can't have any idea or suggestion to do this work. Next is, I don't like meat or any meat dish. So here we are using or. And I give you 2 examples. Next you have to do and you have to write on your book. Complete these sentences using or else. Read them all first. We will go to Sri Lanka and I write here, as I write here, all as America. Next is, we will take the train or else travel through plane. Then we will go by plane or else by train. So these three I help you. So next two you have to do. Combine these pair of sentences using not only but also. You may need to reorder and drop words. So with the use of not only and but also, you have to complete these 5 sentences. First I explain, I am helping you. For at the start of the sentence we write not only. After this T will be small letter. Not only they are definitely the right size, comma, but also T will be small letter, they are the right color. So with the help of not only and but also we complete this sentence. Next again I am telling you, not only T will be small here. Not only the new road was as straight as an arrow. Here is a full stop, so we will put here comma, but also it, I will be small letter, it was free of bumps. So I help you to how to do these two, and then next three you will do on page number 1111. So today my dear class, your diary is learn and write 2 questions level 1 plus book page number 110 and 111. So make sure to complete it properly and have a nice day.